All change requests filed for any project will be reviewed and assessed by a dedicated Change Control Board (CCB) on behalf of the organization. Which of the following best defines an individual or organization that can ask a change on a project if the project sponsor is a member of the CCB? A. Project team. B. Any stakeholder. C. Project sponsor. D. Project alignment. A project manager is in charge of an industrial operations process improvement initiative. The project manager and team are currently performing the monitor and control project work procedure. A. Which of the following actions might occur throughout this process? Implementing approved change requests to achieve the project's objectives. B. Gaining formal acceptance of the deliverables by the customer or sponsor. C. Analyzing change requests and either approving or rejecting them. D. Comparing actual project performance against the project management plan. You notice a considerable difference in the performance of your project when assessing its progress. If the problem is not resolved by the next customer inspection, your project may be cancelled. However, after a thorough assessment by the project team, you are relieved to see that resuming the project requires only a modest change to a configuration piece. First, what should you do? A. Submit a change request. B. Implement the corrective action. C. Delay the customer inspection. D. Consult the project sponsor. The project's goal is to look into the technical, economic, and social viability of building a hydroelectric dam. The project charter, which was created by the project manager on behalf of the project manager, has now been approved. Which of the following procedures should be carried out first? A. Develop project charter. B. Develop project management plan. C. Identify risks. D. Identify stakeholders. One of your contractors is not meeting the expectations that were set. You wish to cancel the contract and hire another contractor to do the same task. You must identify the exact legal method for contract early termination. How should you proceed? A. Look at the scope statement. B. Check the procurement management plan. C. Consult the contract. D. Review the risk register. The project sponsor requests a copy of the document including the product requirements description, owner, source, priority, and status. What project document is the project sponsor looking for? A. The requirements traceability matrix. B. The requirements management plan. C. The work breakdown structure, WBS. D. The scope management plan. The cost baseline for your project is being monitored, and you observe that project costs at this point are higher than originally estimated. What is the most likely reason for the variation? A. An incomplete milestone list. B. Lack of stakeholder support. C. Excess inventory. D. Overestimated material costs. Sheila is the program manager of the company. Management has requested her to evaluate when resources, such as leased equipment, are no longer required so that she may release them to save time, money, and resource usage within the program. What program management process is management requesting from Sheila? A. Resource control. B. Procurement management. C. Resource management. D. Contract administration. Rhonda works as the program manager for her company. She is working on a paper that will outline the benefits the program will provide to her organization once it is done. What is Rhonda working on? A. Program scope statement. B. Program benefits statement. C. Program charter. D. Program benefits realization plan. Karen works as the OFE program's program manager. She collaborates with the program team and project managers to ensure that the program plan is followed consistently. Karen emphasizes that the job has been scheduled and that the team must now perform it correctly. She wants to make certain that the work in the application is done correctly the first time. Which type of process is she stressing to her program team and project managers? A. Quality control. B. Process improvement. C. Quality assurance. D. Scope verification. And is the ABC program's program manager. A vendor just finished the job he was hired to complete for her program and agrees that the job has been completed, so what document should you and the vendor sign now? A. Invoice. B. Contract. C. Proposal agreement. D. Certificate of completion. Tina manages programs at the organization. She is reviewing the activities in your program schedule and would like to adjust some of the ordering to avoid scheduling conflicts, concerns, and based on your expertise with the discipline the program utilizes. Some of the exercises she can change, while others must be performed in a specific order. What phrase best represents actions that can occur in any order? A. Mandatory dependencies. B. Benefits management dependencies. C. Discretionary dependencies. D. Finish on constraints. Rex is the organization's project manager, and he is working with the project stakeholders and the business analysts to identify all of the deliverables that the project will provide. The stakeholders would like to be able to add more deliverables later in the project while keeping the requirements reasonably flexible. Rex informs the business analyst that he needs a set of criteria that outline precisely what must be provided for the project. In this early stage of the project, what document is he trying to create? A. Project scope statement. B. Detailed design document. C. Requirements technical documentation. D. Project charter. The steps a team must do in order to declare a program complete are referred to as A. Stakeholder consensus. B. Exit gate reviews. C. Exit criteria. D. Conditional exits. It is known as to change one's actions, way of thinking, and management style in order to gain the benefits of completed projects. A. Benefits management. B. Benefits registering. C. Program lifecycle. D. Benefits realization. Blank is a type of research that includes discussing characteristics without using numbers. A. Quantitative. B. Data analysis. C. Heuristics. D. Qualitative. When a firm is overly focused on its goods or services rather than the advantages it provides to customers, we say that it is suffering from A. Marketing macular degeneration. B. Marketing hematoma. C. Marketing myopia. D. Marketing glaucoma. A chart or document used to arrange project work into lists of emphasis areas is known as A. Work package. B. Process map. C. Work item. D. Work breakdown structure. The process of aligning project activities and objectives with an organization's strategic vision is known as A. Project alignment. B. Extensive knowledge acquisition. C. Strategy project roadmap. D. Strategic vision. The project's goal is to look into the technical, economic, and social viability of building a hydroelectric dam. The project charter, which was created by the project manager on behalf of the project manager, has now been approved. Which of the following procedures should be carried out first? A. Develop project charter. B. Develop project management plan. C. Identify risks. D. Identify stakeholders. PgMP certification. The PgMP is a professional certification that provides additional opportunities for career advancement. It demonstrates your expertise in managing projects and program management. It also demonstrates your skills in project leadership and strategic thinking. To earn the credential, you must pass a panel review and a 170 multiple-choice exam. In addition, you must meet the requirements of PMI's standard for program management. The Program Management Professional (PGMP) certification is the highest level of Project Management Institute (PMI) credential available. It demonstrates that you have the skills to lead large, complex projects across multiple organizations and teams. It also demonstrates your ability to align those projects with organizational goals. The PGMP is a valuable asset for your career and can make you more competitive in the job market. A PGMP requires more experience than a PMP, and the application process is rigorous. It requires you to submit concise summaries of your previous programs, and a panel reviews these documents to ensure they meet PGMP standards. This is one of the reasons the PGMP exam is more expensive than the PMP.